To mix a gold paint color, start by combining equal parts brown and yellow paint. This will give you a mustard gold or a goldenrod shade, which you can use as a base. If the shade you get looks too bland, add a drop of red and a drop of blue, which will bring out the undertones and give it a little more depth. You can also try combining equal parts yellow and blue to make green, then mix your green shade with red to create a rich golden brown. Equal parts black, red, and yellow will make a dark, coppery gold color. Whichever combination you use, you can always adjust the tone by adding in a little yellow, red, blue, or white. Red adds warmth, while blue will make your gold base cooler. Yellow can help balance warm and cool colors, while white will lighten your base. Once you're satisfied with the base color, mix in a pinch of iridescent or metallic pigment powder in a gold or pearl shade to give your paint a hint of golden glimmer. For a more bold and sparkly effect, mix in some gold glitter instead. You can also paint the base onto your project, then add a coat of glitter on top for a textured appearance. After the paint dries, add a sealant or clear varnish to keep the glitter from rubbing or flaking away.